Hello everyone. Hope you all have been taking necessary precautions and staying absolutely safe. The indefinite suspension of the IPL might have left a major void in our calendars. But with the World Test Championship final arriving next month, the wait is getting shorter every single day. As Virat Kohli and his men gear up to take on New Zealand in the final of the inaugural edition of the WTC, we'll take a look at India's epic journey in the tournament so far and what lies ahead. Looking back at season 2019-2020, India's WTC campaign began with the Tour of the Caribbean as they took on West Indies in a two-match test series. Team India absolutely thumped the West Indies side across both the games, registering wins by a margin of 318 and 257 runs respectively. The perfect start proved to be even sweeter as India ran rampant against South Africa and Bangladesh at home. The series against Bangladesh also involved Team India's first participation in a ping ball test match held in Kolkata. India ended 2019 with 7 wins from all 7 tests. 4 of these matches ended with India registering an innings victory. For India, red ball cricket in 2020 began with the Tour of New Zealand. In this particular series, the visitors suffered their first loss in the World Test Championship as the Black Caps humbled Team India by 10 wickets and 7 wickets in both the matches. Following the disruption of international cricket schedule because of COVID-19 outbreak, Team India took part in its first international assignment against Australia beginning in November 2020. The 2020-21 Border Gavaskar Trophy was a particularly memorable highlight of that tour. A disastrous defeat awaited the side in the first test match played in Adelaide, which was played with the pink ball. India got cleaned up for just 36 runs in the second innings, a kind of low that the nation had not witnessed in recent times. However, that defeat, along with the loss of captain Virat Kohli to paternity leave and the loss of several regulars to injuries, did not deter the spirit of the young Indian side. They got back to their winning ways right in the next test match, which was the very prestigious Boxing Day test match played at the MCG. The third test match played in Sydney was a witness to a side producing a sensational blockathon to deny the Australian side of any opportunity of sniffing in a victory. Meanwhile, the final test match played in Brisbane saw India creating history by becoming the first team in the last 3 decades to breach the Gabba Fortress. By doing this, they also became the first Asian country to win back-to-back test series down under. India carried that same form into the 4-match test series against England at home. Losing the first test in Chennai by 227 runs, India managed to bounce back superbly once again. They made quick work of the visitors in the remaining 3 matches in Chennai and Ahmedabad to book their tickets to Southampton in June. Virat Kohli and his boys have had to face severe setbacks along the way during their WTC campaign, particularly after the series defeat in New Zealand and the disastrous collapse in Adelaide. But every single time, they have shown great grit and determination and have fought back brilliantly. Taking all of those things into account, we can certainly expect them to go all the way and lift the trophy at the Rose Bowl in June. That's all for now. We will be back with another video soon as we start the countdown to WTC 2021. Until then, stay safe, try to get vaccinated as soon as possible, and keep following us and play on the Fan2Play app to win big.